How to make a Paracord Bracelet Aries. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use this red and blue Paracord 550, also this blue Paracord 550, Paracord Buckles, and the jig. We're gonna need the feed. The credit for today's bracelet goes to our brother Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Pavel's Instagram profile. Also, before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box to this video. So we're gonna start. First we're gonna take our red and the blue Paracord 550 and we're gonna insert it into the bracelet core. So I'm gonna detach from the buckle and insert it from the left to the right side. Now we're gonna take the ends of red and the blue and we're gonna pull them together to find the center. So now when we created our bracelet core and working ends, we're gonna start. We're gonna take our left blue and place it from the top, pass it through the middle between the cord strands, and to the side we're gonna do the same with the right side cord, so from the top through the middle, and from here we're gonna take our right side red and blue and pass it from the back through the gap between first and the second cord strand from the right side. Then we're gonna cross it to the left side. We're gonna take now the left strand of our red and blue and place it and pass it under the cord strands, first and the second cord strand from the left side, and again cross it to the right side. Now we're gonna take the right side red and blue and pass it around these two strands here and from the back through the gap between first and second cord strand on the right side, and we're gonna pass it now from the top through the gap or through the loop on the right side here. Leave some slack so you can easily cinch this knot. Now with the left strand we're gonna do the same, so make it around the two strands and pass it from the back through the gap between first and the second cord strand on the left side, and from the top through the loop on the left. Now we're gonna tie it, cinch it, and proceed. Now again from the top in the middle and to the side, with the right side cord also from the top into the middle and to the side. Then take the right side red and blue, pass it under the cord strands and in between the gap between the first and the second cord strand from the right side, cross it and take the left strand red and blue, pass it under and then through the gap between first and the second cord strand from the left side, cross it as well, and then with the right side red and blue pass it around these two strands and then back from the back through the gap between first and second cord strand on the right side and pass it from the top through the loop on the right. Now do the same with the left strand, so around these two strands and from the back through the gap between first and second cord strand from the left side, and now from the top through the loop on the left. As simple as that. Now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!